What's going on, YouTube? My name is JJ, and I'm one of the four members of A Dollar and a Dream Auto Sales. And this is my YouTube channel. It's going to be called JJ's Cars and Advice. And I'm going to be giving you guys advice on how to get your car lot open and how to get up and running. Also, giving you advice on how to buy cars, sell cars. I'll be showing off cars that I buy. Also showing you fixing up cars, going to the salvage yard, everything that involves the life of being a car dealer. Because a lot of people ask like, oh, how is it owning a car lot? What it takes to own a car lot? How much it costs to open a car lot? And I'll be trying to do my best to answer all those questions for you because a lot of when you get into something new or trying to get into something, there's a lot of people that don't want to tell you anything. And me, I don't try to hold back anything. Like if somebody wants to get into the industry, let them in. Everybody is gonna have their different kind of customers and different kind of fan bases and different kind of customer bases. So I remember when I first tried to get open. I'm 26 now, and I opened almost 4 years ago. In August 9th, it'll be 4 years. So I opened when I was 22. Me, my two brothers, and my cousin. And when I first opened, when I was going around asking people on how much it typically costs to open a car lot, a guy told me it cost $500,000. And I had to hit him with that whisper, like, what? Like, come on, $500,000 to open a car lot, and I seen other car lots around that I knew that didn't have $500,000 to open. But also, I kind of feel where he was coming from because, I mean, if you have $500,000, then it's going to be hard to fail. But I'm 22 years old. Where the hell I'm gonna get $500,000 from? That's what I'm thinking in my head. Like, I'm 22 years old. Where the hell I'm gonna get $500,000 from? But yeah, I'm gonna be giving you guys advice on how to get your car lot open, the steps that you need to go about to getting your car lot open, what all you need, all the state's requirement. I'm here in Oklahoma City, where the rules and regulations is a lot different from all the other states, but I will be trying to get information on all the other states to try to help you guys if you're not from Oklahoma City and not from Oklahoma to get your car lot open if I can. I know a couple of people that own dealerships in Texas, so that'll be after I finish wrapping up on how to get open in Oklahoma City. I'll be doing how to get open up in Texas. Then we'll go from state to state after that. But I'm gonna give you guys a little small walk around of my car lot. It's not the biggest, but hey, I make it work. Let me put you on my chest cam right quick. So it's going whoop, 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 whoop. Let's put you on the chest cam. Let's slide you up for the chest cam. Click you in. There we go. So now let's give you a little walk around of my car lot. Of my little business operation. That's my BMW. As you can see, my little car for right now. Nothing special. This is my car lot located on the southeast side of Oklahoma City. Dollar and a Dream Auto Sales. Small but growing. Edit. Small but it's growing. So hey, we're located at 825 on Southeast 59th. Open Monday through Saturday. This is my little office space, nothing spectacular. The restroom, my wall of customers over here. As you can see, we sell a lot of cars. We sell a lot of different cars. We're not stuck on one brand. I'm not a fan of one brand of car. I mean, I kind of am a fan of one car, but I don't care for selling just that particular brand of car. There's a lot of people that just want to sell like one particular car, like Chevys and stuff like that. I feel like now you can sell any type of car. But here's the back part of the car lot. Here's the back part. At the time, as you can see, we don't have that many cars due to the outbreak, but who cares? The outbreak is dying down a little bit. I don't know. It may or may not be, but who knows? So hopefully a lot of stuff open back up next week. A lot of the auctions, because a lot of the auctions are closed and they're doing like online only. And me, I don't like bidding on certain online auctions, especially the ones that don't have like sounds of the motor and how the motor sound, and like all around pictures of the vehicle, because you know, you never know what you're going to get. You buy a car, they say it runs and drives, and then you get there, the motor knocking, motor making this noise, or you know, the oil is all jacked up and blown head gaskets. But yeah, this is my box truck. Need to find a good diesel mechanic to get that fixed. And this is my cousin's old school car, and these are my two old school cars. It's my 86 Camaro Allrock Z28 and my Firebird Trans Am. As y'all can see, I love the Firebird a little bit more than I love the Camaro, but they're gonna both get fixed up. They both do run. It may not look like it, but they both do run. Camaro, I'm gotta find a hood and some interior. This, for my Firebird, I gotta find a whole body kit, but I will find one. But these are gonna be like kinda what my channel is going to be about, fixing these two cars up and telling you guys about the car business all in general. So this is all I got for the first video. My name is JJ again, and my channel is JJ's Cars and Advice. So if you want to know more, just subscribe to my channel, and we're going to teach you guys a lot, and you're going to learn a lot, because I'll be interacting with other car dealers as well. And I'll be going to the car dealerships that I previously worked at to give you guys all the information you need to know if you want to get into the car business or not. Now let's end this video.